Good morning students, welcome back to Shadama channel. Now in this video I am posting the addition of vectors level 2 Eamcet problems. Okay, let us start the class. So once the question, the first question is, if pi plus 3j plus 4k and root qi plus 5k are two vectors where p comma q greater than or equal to 0 are the two scalars, then the lengths of the vectors are equal for what values of p comma q. Okay, so here given two vectors are given. The first vector is pi plus 3j plus 4k and the second vector is root qi plus 5k. Okay, the two vectors, the lengths of the vectors are equal. That's a given question. The lengths are equal means magnitudes are equal. Okay, so magnitudes are equal means modulus of pi plus 3j plus 4k is equals to modulus of root qi plus 5k. Okay, now what is the formula for finding the modulus value? For example, if a bar is equal to the vector is a1i plus a2j plus a3k. Okay, for example, a bar is equal to the vector is a1i plus a2j plus a3k. Then how to find the modulus of this vector? The formula is mod a bar is equal to square root of I component whole square, that is a1 square plus j component whole square, that is a2 square plus k component whole square, that is a3 square. Okay, this is the formula for finding the modulus value. Understand all of you? Okay, once see here how to find the modulus value to this vector square root of I component whole square, p square, j component whole square, 3 square is equal to 9, k component whole square, 4 square is equal to 16. Okay, to this one finding the modulus value, root q whole square is equal to q, 5 square is equals to 25 under square root of. Okay, now squaring on both sides, then what you get? P square plus 25 is equals to q plus 25. Now cut the 25 on both sides. Now remaining values is equal to only p square is equal to q. Okay, this is the condition. So for what values of p comma q, the two modulus of the two vectors are equal here. For the values p square is equal to q. That means, okay, once check the options here, p comma q. No, this is not the correct answer. Why? Because the condition, if this condition is satisfied, then only we can take the answer. Only finite number of values of p comma q means you have to take the particular value. So this is not the correct answer. Yes, this is the correct answer. No value of p comma q. This is not the correct answer. Infinite number of p comma q is the correct answer. Why? Because q is equal to p square. That is, in place of p you can take the infinite number of values, then correspondingly you get the q value. That is, we can take so many values here for p. So the answer is infinite number of p comma q. That's all. That is the third option is the correct answer. Understand all of you? Okay, see the next problem. The question is, if a comma b comma c comma b 3 points on the circle of radius is equals to r capital R. So here given the radius of capital R. Capital R is if O is the center of the circle and angle AOB is equal to 45 and angle BOC is equal to 45, then the resultant of the vectors OA bar comma OB bar comma OC bar. We have to find the resultant of the three vectors. Okay, so what is given here? Once check the given data. So first I am taking one circle here. This is the circle. A comma B comma C are the points on the circle like that. Okay, take the x-axis y-axis also. Okay, take the x-axis y-axis. This is the circle given here. Okay, so what is given? Angle AOB is equal to 45. Okay, that is, so this is the join the O and B line. So given that angle AOB is equal to 45, in the same manner given that angle BOC is also is equal to 45. Okay, then automatically you get the angle AOC. What is angle AOC? 45 plus 45 is equal to 90. Okay, clearly given here. AOB is equal to 45, this given data, and angle BOC is equal to 45, this is also given. So from the given data, what is the value of the angle AOC? 45 plus 45 is equals to, that is equals to 90. Okay, what is the given question? Resultant of OA bar comma OB bar comma OC bar. Okay, so given that here radius is equal to Kepler, that is clearly mod OA bar is equal to R, mod OB bar is equal to R, mod OC bar is equal to R. So we have to find the resultant of OA OB OC. That is, this is the value you have to find. That is, first I consider the value modulus of OA plus OB plus OC bar whole square. Now first write the formula. The expansion is here to this one, mod OA plus OB plus OC whole square is equal to mod OA square plus mod OB square plus mod OC square plus 2 into OA bar dot OB bar plus 2 into OB bar dot OC bar plus 2 into OC bar dot plus OA bar. Okay, so this is the formula. Now replace the values here. Clearly given radius is equal to R means modulus of OA bar is equal to magnitude of OB bar is equals to mod OC bar is equal to R. These three values are equals to R. That is R square plus R square plus R square. The first three values are R square plus R square plus R square. Okay. Now check the fourth value. What is the formula for A bar dot B bar? A bar dot B bar is equals to mod A bar mod A bar mod B bar cos theta. Okay, this is the formula for A dot B. So what is the formula for OA bar dot OB bar? 2 into mod OA bar mod OB bar cos, what is the angle, given angle between the vectors OA and OB bar? 45, that is cos 45. Okay, so here the formula is for OA bar dot OB bar is equal to mod OA bar mod OB bar cos 45. And what is the formula for OB dot OC? 2 into mod OB bar mod OC bar, again here also cos 45, since angle between B and C is equal to 45. And last one, 2 into OC dot OA. Okay, OC dot OA means 2 into OC mod OC bar mod OA bar. So angle is equal to, angle between A and C is equal to 90 here, that is cos 90. Understand all of you what I am saying? Okay, so here I apply the formula A dot B formula, okay, to these three terms, then you get the expansions like that. Okay, now R square plus R square plus R square is equal to 3R square. Now check the next value. This is 2 into R into R mod OA R mod OB R cos 45 1 by root 2. Okay, now check the next value. Okay, 2 into mod OB bar R mod OC bar R cos 45 1 by root 2. Okay, next value. Okay, mod OC is equal to R, mod OA is equal to R, but cos 90 is equal to 0, so the last value becomes the 0. Understand all of you? Cos 90 value is equal to 0. Okay, now this is, okay, once add all these values, I am adding all these values. First value 3R square, okay, plus 2R square, that is 4R square by root 2. Okay, this is 2R square, this is 2R square, 4R square by root 2. So, but 4 is equal to 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into R square by root 2. Now 1 2 is here, root 2 is cancelled by root 2 times. So the remaining value is only here 2 into root 2 R square. Okay, remaining is only 2 root 2 R square. So write that value. Okay, understand all of you? Now taking the R square common from these two terms, then you get R square into 3 plus 2 root 2. But this is the value of the modulus of OA plus OB plus OP whole square. But you want the only mod OA plus OB plus OC. That is this value is equal to mod OA plus OB plus OC whole square. Okay. So what is the value? So this value is equal to square root of r square into 3 plus 2 root 2. Understand all of you? So write this square, remove this square and apply the square root to this value like that. Okay. Now how to find this root 2 value? Okay. Square root of 3 plus 2 root 2. How to find that value? Very easy. First I am writing that this 3 as the 2 plus 2 into square root of this 2 as the 2 into 1. So what is the root value to this one? Direct formula. This is equals to root 2 plus 1. Okay. This is root 2 whole square. This is 1 square. So answer is equal to root 2 plus 1. So r into root 2 plus 1 is the correct answer. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus b whole square. Square and root gets cancelled. So answer is equal to root 2 plus 1. So r into root 2 plus 1 is the correct answer. That is the magnitude of this vector is equals to r into root 2 plus 1. Understand all of you? Now check the third question. Okay, see the problem. So the question is, if a bar and b, a comma b are two points with position vectors are a bar comma b bar. That is given that here clearly OA bar is equals to a bar and OB bar is equal to b bar. And also given that P is the point C on OA is such that 2 into AC bar is equal to CO bar. So this condition is given 2 AC bar is equal to CO bar. But what is AC formula? OC minus OA. And what is CO minus OC? So clearly this one from I am finding the OC bar vector. That is, okay, one see here, this is equals to 2 into OC minus 2 into OA. Okay, the next step is 2 into OC minus 2 into OA bar is equal to minus OC bar. Okay, write this minus OC to this side, that is 2 OC plus OC. 3 OC bar is equal to 2 into OA bar. Okay, but what is given OA bar is equal to A bar? That is the value of the OC bar is equals to 2 by 3. Write this 3 to this side. 2 by 3 into A bar. This is the value of the OC bar. Understand all of you? Already clearly in the question given that OA bar is equal to A bar and OB bar is equal to B bar. From the given condition, I am finding the OC bar value by taking the formula AC bar is equal to OC bar minus OA bar and replace the OA bar vector, then you get the OC bar vector. Understand all of it? Take the simplification to get the OC bar. Okay, and given that CD is parallel to OP and mod CD is equal to 3 into mod OP. That is, given that CD bar is equal to 3 into OP bar, you have to find the AD bar vector. Okay, that is CD bar is equal to, again, what is the formula? CD bar is equals to OD bar minus OC bar. Okay, that is OD bar is equal to 3 into OB bar plus OC bar. Okay, now replace the OB bar and OC bar vectors. OB bar is equal to B bar and OC bar is equal to 2 by 3 into A bar. That is, here from the given two conditions, I am finding the OC bar vector and OD bar vector. Understand all of this from the given two conditions. Simply first I am finding the OC bar comma OC bar values by applying the very easy formula. The formula is here I am using AB bar is equal to OB bar minus OA bar. Very easy formula. Direct type it to mass quotient formula. This one is the okay. So find the OC bar and OD bar values. Now what is the given question? You want the AD bar. What is AD bar formula here? AD bar is equals to OD bar minus OA bar. Okay, that is OD bar replace the OD bar value, OA bar replace the OA bar value. Directly you will get the answer. So this is 3B bar, okay, minus, do the LCM to the next two times only, second and third times, to these two values to the LCM, that is 2A bar minus 2A bar minus 3A bar by 3. Okay, that is minus a bar by 3. So finally you get the answer is equals to, this is 3b bar minus a bar by 3, which is nothing but the ad bar value, that is the second option. Understand all of you? So these are the addition of vectors level 2 problems which are very useful for both the Eamcet and JEE mains. Okay, all of you practice the problems and write the notes. Once practice the problems, then only you remember these problems. Okay, understand all of you? Every day if you prepare some problems daily, 2 or 3 problems, then it will be very easy to the preparation of the competitive examinations. Okay, so I will continue the remaining sums on the next video. Until then, keep watching. Bye bye.